Hello. So let's take today a simple problem. A particle radioisotope has a half-life of 5 days. In 15 days, the probability of decay in percentage will be. So we have to find out this probability of decay in percentage. This question was asked in JAM Physics 2016. So solution. So we know this equation n equals to n0 e raised to minus lambda t. What we will do, we will differentiate. So dn, it is equals to n0 minus lambda e raised to minus lambda t. n0 constant है वही रखा. e raised to minus lambda t का differentiation e raised to minus lambda t dt and multiplied by minus lambda. Okay, so that is what we will get. Now what we have to find out, probability of decay in time dt. So how we will find out this? So probability of decay in time dt, it is given by modulus of dn by n0. So dn upon n0. So I will shift this n0 to this side. So what I will get, lambda e raised to minus lambda t dt. So मैंने इसके साथ ही माइनस साइन भी शिफ्ट कर दिया and I shifted minus n0 to this side and I have taken modulus. So that is how I am getting lambda e raised to minus lambda t dt. Okay. So just take care of this minus sign. Minus sign I have shifted this way with n0 and then I have taken my modulus. So that is why I am getting dn by n0 equals to lambda e raised to minus lambda t dt. So now probability of decay in 15 days find out करना है. So probability of decay in 15 days, it will be, we will just integrate this. So integration from 0 to 0 days to 15 days, lambda e raised to minus lambda t dt. Okay, now this we will have to integrate by parts. So for integration by parts, the formula is first function. This is first function, this is second function. First function, integration of second function minus big integral d by dt of first function, integration of second function and again dt plus c. So remember the formula for integration by parts. Okay, so here I will get lambda and this whole thing is from 0 to 15, 0 days to 15 days. Now lambda e raised to minus lambda t का integration e raised to minus lambda t upon minus lambda minus integration of d by dt of lambda. Lambda, it is constant, so derivative of constant, it is 0. So this whole thing will become 0. So I will get 0 and here there will not be any constant because here we have limits, so constant won't come. So lambda e raised to minus lambda t upon minus lambda minus this thing becomes 0 because derivative of constant equals to 0. So I am getting this. So what I am getting, lambda will also get cancelled here. So I will get e raised to minus lambda t. This minus sign will come up. So minus e raised to minus lambda t. This within the limits 0 to 15. Okay. So I will substitute the value of lambda now. Now in the numerical it is given the half-life period is 5. And we know that lambda, it is equals to log 2 upon half-life period. This is the formula. So half-life period, disintegration constant, it is given by log 2 upon half-life period. Now in the numerical they have given half-life period, it is 5. So for lambda we will have to substitute this value. Okay, log 2 upon 5. So what I will do, it is minus e raised to minus lambda. Lambda की जगह पे log 2 upon 5 into t within the limit 0 to 15. अब हमें सिर्फ t की value substitute करनी है. Now we have to put the upper limit and lower limit. That's it. So what I will get, if I substitute the upper limit, minus e raised to log 2 minus e raised to log 2 upon 5 multiplied by upper limit is 15. Minus minus will become plus. E raised to minus log 2 upon 5 into t की वैल्यू क्या है 0. ठीक है, अपर लिमिट लोअर लिमिट. So here I will get e raised to minus log 2, 5 3s are 15. So I will get basically 3 log 2 and e raised to 0 is 1. So I'm getting 1. This is minus here, this minus sign. So I'm getting basically 1 minus e raised to 3 log 2. I can write log 2 cube because that is the rule of logarithm. So I will get minus log 2 cube, or I will get 1 minus e raised to minus log 8. So iska value find out using calculator. So you will get 0 point, this should come out to be 7 by 8 आना चाहिए. You will get something of this sort. And if you will find out in percentage, so probability of decay, it will be 7 by 8 multiplied by 100, as it is percentage probability of decay. So here it will be 700 divided by 8, and if you will do this calculation, you should get 87.5%. So do these calculations and tell me if you are getting same answer. If you are not getting, you can write in the comment box. Thank you.